The process begins with raw coconut shells loaded into the system. The shells are sorted automatically for size and quality. Each shell is washed automatically to remove impurities. Shells are dried automatically and evenly. Edges are trimmed precisely without human intervention. Bowls are polished automatically to a perfect finish. Bowls are coated automatically for a smooth, shiny finish. Bowls are prepared for polishing automatically. Bowls are dried automatically after oiling. Bowls are inspected automatically for quality. Defective bowls are automatically removed. Bowls are cleaned automatically for a perfect finish. Bowls are automatically prepared for packaging. Bowls are placed into boxes automatically. Boxes are sealed automatically and precisely. Bowls are ready for delivery. From raw shell to finished bowl. Subscribe for more.